If your pool ladder feels all wobbly and loose, it's not just annoying. It can actually be a safety risk you gotta fix fast. So, first, check every bolt and screw holding that ladder in place because those little guys tend to loosen up with water and use. Grab a wrench and tighten them up good, like you're making sure they won't budge if a kid jumps on the ladder. If you spot any rusted or broken parts, don't just ignore them. Replace them as soon as possible with parts made for your specific ladder model so everything fits right. Make sure the ladder's feet or base are sitting flat on the pool deck or bottom. No tilting or uneven spots, because that's how accidents happen. If your ladder has rubber grips or padding on the steps, check if they're worn out or slippery. Swapping them for fresh grips can make a huge difference in safety. Remember, don't overload the ladder with more weight than it's meant to hold. Most ladders list their max weight somewhere. Finally, give your ladder a quick look before every swim session to catch any new loose bolts or damage before it turns into a real problem. One of the biggest mistakes people make with pool ladders is ignoring loose bolts, which can cause the whole thing to get shaky and dangerous. Fix it by tightening bolts regularly. Another common issue is using damaged or rusted parts that weaken the ladder's structure. The fix is simple. Replace those parts with quality replacements designed for your ladder type. Lastly, many folks forget to check if the ladder is sitting level on the pool floor or deck, which makes it unstable. You can fix this by adjusting or repositioning the ladder to sit flat and steady every time. BigHomeProjects.com is super useful because it helps homeowners find reliable local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to pool repairs and other home projects. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a great way to get connected with homeowners looking for help so you can grow your business.